Hello guys, welcome to another video. So this video, as you guys have already known by reading the title of this video, we are going to check this small thing. You can see the comparison between my hand and this thing. It is like a small computer to diagnose some computer codes or something. So today we will give a check to this small thing and let's see how this thing works. So first of all, we unbox this thing and see what is inside. So this is the device. Actually it will connect to your car computer, which will be mainly under the steering wheel. So let me connect this and see. Okay, so first of all, how can you use this thing? It will be connected to your mobile phone. You can see here it's written iOS, Android or Windows, so it's up to you which one you bought. I bought the iOS because I have iPhone here. I have downloaded this app. Maybe one of these apps actually make it work. So let's connect it with my phone and the computer as well. If you guys can see there, I have connected the device, and its light is already on. So now let me connect it with my mobile phone. So now I will switch on the Bluetooth and see where this device is. Maybe it is this one. It is connected. Let me check the light on the device. The light is actually same. Let's open this app and see what's inside there. English. Okay, I agree. Okay, next. It is 2.4. Okay, petrol price is actually 2.64. I am here in UAE, so it is AED. Okay, I don't know what is happening. Connect. Okay, this one is for the Wi-Fi. Let me go to another app. Let's see the connection. The one I bought is connecting with the Bluetooth. So maybe this is the application. Refresh. I'm already connected with the Bluetooth. Why is it showing like that? See, I'm already connected with the Bluetooth. Connected. Okay, wait. Let's go somewhere else. Try to connect this thing with the Android phone. I have Samsung phone. Let me try to connect it with that phone. Maybe it will work with Android. It's written wrong there. iOS. See, it's written here iOS, but I don't know what is the problem. Let me connect it with the Android. Okay, so here I am with the Samsung phone. Let me try it here. Searching for some Bluetooth devices. It actually find the OBD II. Let me put 0000. 4 zeros. No device is selected. Oh. Let me search. It is actually refreshing the things. Switch off the Bluetooth. Okay, it is now I put 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it is paired now. Let's go to this app again. Okay, it is saying checking something connected to ECU. Okay, now let me search for the fault codes. Show logged fault. So it is connected now. It is showing some code P0113 intake air temperature circuit high input. Okay, so this is the code it is showing. I do not have internet right now. I will go for the web. You are offline. Let me search. Let me clear codes. Fault codes, clear log codes. Clear the codes. What is this? I don't know. I don't really know what is this all things. The settings. Okay. Graphs. Alright, I am getting some things here. It is asking me to add a display like acceleration sensor x-axis, y-axis, r-axis, ambient air temperature, engine coolant temperature. Let me fill this thing. Medium. Okay. Engine coolant temperature. It is good. Okay. Dial. Engine load, engine RPM. Let's go to engine RPM medium. Let me give a race. Ooh. It is showing the perfect thing. I like that. Engine RPM, fuel trim, fuel pressure, fuel trim sensor, something, GPS accuracy. I don't have GPS. Kilometers per liter. Let's see. No data. Some speed sensors, throttle position, timing advance, trip distance, turbo boost and vacuum gauge, voltage something, vacuum. I don't know what is this vacuum here. What is this? Dial graph, display, fuel air status, all data widget, drive cycle status since DTC, current drive cycle status, all data. GPS speed, acceleration, interval speed. Is it showing somewhere for the RPM? No. This revs, see, 3000. It is right now 882. Let me switch off the AC. It will increase 1000. 900 again, 800. Okay, so guys, this is basically for this thing. I'm not understanding much more about this. I don't know why it is written iOS here when it is for Android. This is strange. This is for everything. Like it costs me around $15, I guess. It's cheap or not cheap, I don't know, but it's good. You can see the folds and everything. If you have something, go to settings, nothing is there. It's all is here at display. You can check everything here, sensors or something. I was actually looking for the airbag sensor, but it's not here. Maybe ambient air temperature. Yeah. What is this? I don't know. So yeah, this is much for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and gained some information. If you guys like the video, please like the video and subscribe for more. Thank you.